Thank you for purchasing the Outlander all-terrain self-propelled wheelchair. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Outlander self-propelled wheelchair should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape and any straps to open the box. Once opened, tilt the box on its side and slide the wheelchair out. Position the chair in an upright position and remove any packaging. Packaged in a small box, you'll find the footrests, a spanner and an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your wheelchair. Open up the wheelchair, pushing down on the seat until it is fully flat. Then raise the backrest until it clicks into place. Apply the handbrakes to prevent the chair from moving around as you complete the assembly. Next, drop the footrests into the holders on the front. You'll hear a click when they are secure. The footplates should drop into the centre so they can provide support for the user's legs. To adjust the height of the footplates, use an Allen key and the spanner provided to loosen the bolt on the rear of the rests. Once you have removed the bolt, you can drop and slide the footrest up and down to a comfortable height. To make sure the footrests are at an even height, use the holes on the side for reference. Insert and tighten the bolt when you've finished. The side supports of the chair lift up and down for easier access on and off the chair. The large rear wheels can be easily taken off and put back using the big button in the middle of the wheel. This chair also comes fitted with anti-tip wheels for added safety. Simply pull the red tabs and pull them up and down to adjust their height. The backrest can also be folded to ease collapsing and storing the chair. Your Outlander self-propelled wheelchair is now fully assembled. Please keep hold of the box and any packaging just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the Outlander, visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.